Substack Tutorial 2025. So in this video, I will show you how to use Substack as a beginner. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to substack.com and click Start Writing, and then sign up with your email or Google account. Step 2. Choose a name for your newsletter. Upload a profile picture and write a short description about what your readers can expect from you. Step 3. In the dashboard, you can click on Settings to adjust your publication URL, design colors, and logo. Step 4. Click the New Post or Create New, and then use the editor to write your content. You can add text, images, links, and even embedded videos. Step 5. Choose whether your post is free or paid. And then Substack allows you to set up a subscription model if you want to monetize. Step 6. Once your post is ready, you can click publish or continue, and then share the link on your social media platforms to grow your audience. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.